Hello, guys. It's Hotcoin X Space. Welcome, everyone. Hello, Mariana. How are you? Let's make a microphone check.
Morning. How's everyone doing?
GM. Cool. Yeah, I hear you good. So, also doing well. Thank you so much. Yeah, appreciate your participation today. So, let's just wait for a few more minutes. More listeners to join our space. Also, we're waiting for Alex from ZetaChain. So, yeah, just in a few moments, we will kick off. All right. Yeah, I also see Alex. Hi, Alex. I'm adding you as a speaker. Hi, Alex. How are you? Let's also make microphone check. How is it going?
Hey, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, you can hear me?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
we
one
hear
second.
you well. Awesome. Yeah, great. So we have incredible speakers today. Oh, I see Alex also again lost speaker rights. Um, all right, let's try again. Uh, okay. Yeah, Alex, I'm trying to invite you to speak again. Um, all right. Anyway, while Alex will solve some issues, I believe. Um, so hello everyone again. It's Svetlana, the growth manager at Hotcoin. Is Hotcoin X Space with ZetaChain and PitchLucyAI. While we wait for more listeners to join us today, let me also introduce Hotcoin. Hotcoin is one of the leading centralized exchanges in Asia Pacific region. Founded in 2017, trusted by around 6 million users. Also for new users, new to Hotcoin, everyone can start trading on Hotcoin very easily without KYC, and also get lots of welcome bonuses. And I'm personally so bullish about today's X Space. We have really great projects today. Is ZetaChain, PitchLucyAI, meet our incredible speakers, Alex, ecosystem lead at Zeta Blockchain, Mariano, founder, PitchLucyAI. So we hope that today we will hear really great alpha drop from the speakers. So also I'd like to remind you guys that two random listeners will share 100 USD in Zeta tokens. So appreciate this gift from Zeta Chain. All right, so let's kick off. So Alex, would love to start with you. Could you please explain to listeners who are new to ZetaChain, what is ZetaChain? How does it differentiate itself from other infrastructure projects in the space? So yeah, let's try again to hear you. I hope that everything is good. Okay, let's try
Yeah,
again.
yeah, I think it's working now, but
Yep,
um,
awesome.
so simply put, Zeta Chain is not just like a copy L1 of any other layer one, layer two, or any other chain out there. With the dApps on Zeta Chain, such as our Dex and some of our other apps, you can connect any wallet from any chain. So right now you can connect your Bitcoin wallet, you can connect your EVM wallet, and you can connect your Solana wallet and use your assets as is on ZetaChain and our apps. So there's no bridging, there's no wrapping of those assets. If you want to swap from native Bitcoin to native ETH, you can in one single click. It's not any wrapped version of Bitcoin, and there's no bridging in that process as well. So that's what's different between ZetaChain and other cross-chain infrastructure projects. Everything on ZetaChain is a one-click user experience. There's no bridging and there's no wrapping. Other cross-chain infrastructure projects, it's you can't do what we're doing just because they're not an L1. And a lot of the solutions that they present are just wrapped versions of other tokens. Um, and it's just fragmenting more liquidity.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Alex. Sounds really great. Mariana, I would love to hear also from your side for those who just discovering PitchLucyAI. What exactly is it and how does it work as an AI-powered trading solution?
Absolutely, absolutely. So, thank you everyone for joining, and I'm very happy to be here. Pitch Lucy, we created an adversarial agent game hub. Basically, it's if you guys have heard of Freysa, you know how this AI game that you needed to convince an AI to do something like that. Well, we created that basically for multiple games that you can try to outsmart AIs and see if you can convince them to do something for you. Our first game that we launched, it's an adversarial agent game where there is a hedge fund manager called Lucy, and your goal is to basically try to find a way to convince her to buy your token. So you can actually pitch your token to our AI, and using arguments, if you manage to convince her, she will actually purchase the token for you. Like it's 100% like working, and like it will actually go to the market and purchase a token for you. And as a winner, you receive like a bounty reward basically. So if you have a token that you want an AI to purchase and you want to win some funds, you can go ahead and try to do that right now, and maybe you win.
Wow, sounds really amazing. Actually, I got from bio in your as your X account that Lucy AI it's kind of a trading AI agent, but it sounds really great. So it's cool game for founders that gonna launch their token, I believe, to evaluate the token potential and retail investors' potential interest. So yeah, it really sounds great. Awesome. Also, I'd love to remind you guys that ZetaChain token listed on many exchanges and on Hotcoin as well. Also, PitchLucyAI also just launched the token. As I saw, I believe it's listed on Mexi now. So um, I'd love to hear more insights from today's projects. Maybe we can find these tokens very interesting for our portfolio. All right, so would love to also hear from Alex. To explore more about ZetaChain. From a technical perspective, what specific features of ZetaChain make it a strong foundation for deploying AI agents? Since, for example, Lucy AI is part of your ecosystem. So yeah, could you please share why ZetaChain is a great ecosystem for this kind of projects?
Absolutely. So think of it this way, for any other app deployment right now, let's say you're on BNB, you launch an app on BNB, but then you have to write another smart contract for AVAX or ETH or Arbitrum or even Base multi-chain deployment. And you have to source liquidity for each of those new chains that you go live on. This is true for all of most apps in crypto. With ZetaChain, the benefit is that with AI agents as well, you can deploy one smart contract on ZetaChain, and immediately you're connected to all these other chains. So the benefit of ZetaChain is that you can read and write smart contracts across any chain from ZetaChain as well. So there's no multi-chain deployments, there's no liquidity sourcing for the other chains that you're live on. Immediately out of the box, you're connected to all these chains. There's nothing else you have to do. So for AI agents right now, AI agents are pretty siloed by each ecosystem. And we've seen them use other cross-chain protocols to create wrapped versions of their tokens or to create bridge versions of their tokens, but it's mostly used for trading. But the AI agents can't do anything on the other chains. With ZetaChain, the AI agents can do anything. So with the example of PitchLucy, they only deployed on ZetaChain once. And immediately you can contribute some tokens to prompt from ZetaChain, Base, ETH, and some other networks as well. Immediately. They didn't have to do any multi-chain or multi-smart contract deployments. This is what ZetaChain provides for AI projects like PitchLucy. The opportunity to just deploy once. You don't have to worry about liquidity fragmentation, and you don't have to worry about wasting time on what chain you're going to integrate next.
Yeah, sounds really great. Thank you so much, Alex. Sounds like ZetaChain is a great hub for AI agents. We all believe here that AI agents in crypto will be like top one vertical soon. So it's really great that you're such a great infrastructure for such kind of projects. Awesome. Mariano, can I ask you, what is the current stage of PitchLucyAI, and what's the long-term vision for your project?
So we launched the game a few months ago, and to be honest, the reception has been amazing. We had over 300,000 people that play the game, over 400,000 times, so lots of tokens pitched. We had a couple of winners that Lucy ended up purchasing the token. So really happy about the reception of the game, and we did a big step now launching the token. Yeah, that was a milestone that we achieved. What's coming next for us is integrating the token into the game so that only holders and users that hold the token are able to like pay the prompting fees for the game, and integrating other features like staking and other elements as well. And with that, we can continue expanding and deploying new AI games that are going to be powering the ecosystem.
Cool, sounds great. What I really like in this part that you actually launched the token after you already saw interest from the market, or already launched your project. I mean, your product have early traction. So this is really sounds great. It's actually what we recommend to our users since AI agents tokens are really hot today. So really advise to evaluate AI agents properly, and if AI agent project that launching the token already have live product and traction, it's a really great project to look at. So awesome. And Alex, also would love to hear from you what community should expect from Zeta Chain this year. Could you please also share your major updates, maybe new upcoming products, ecosystem expansion? So anything you're kind of would love to share with us today.
Yeah, we're going to integrate with Sui and Ton. That's going to go live on mainnet next month. So any user from Sui and Ton, you can now connect your wallets to use your apps on ZetaChain. No wrapping or bridging again. And we want to celebrate the Pitch Lucy TGE that just happened yesterday as well. And right now we're just focused on making sure that all of our apps are really in a very strong position right now, incubating them, giving them resources, and really trying to build out the best products right now.
Awesome. Yes, sounds really great. We also would love to try Pitch Lucy AI project, celebrate your token launch as Alex do. All right. Great. So, also, I have a question for you both, Alex and Mariano. So, fully autonomous AI agent sounds amazing and really hot and sexy today. But what's standing in the way today? It's technical bottlenecks. What challenges kind of AI agents has today to kind of have the full adoption, have the user trust? So we'd love to hear your takeaways here. Mariana, would you like to go first?
100%. So I think technical approaches are there are some challenges, and one of them is exactly what ZetaChain is solving. That agents right now, they don't have a way to communicate with other chains on an autonomous manner with like exclusive usage smart contracts. They can't reach Solana chains or Sui chains like natively, or they are only in Solana or in Sui, and they cannot go to Ethereum and other chains. So I think that's like a big use case for cross-chain AI agents that is not developed sufficiently, and it's because it's a big technical hurdle to do that. And ZetaChain does a fantastic job enabling projects like Lucy, for example, that can trade tokens in any chain uh, come to life. So that's something that I think it's really great. Another thing is the use of the original models of AI. Um, there could be optimizations made so that either entire models are hosted on chain, but that so far has been proven to be more challenging due to the size of these models and certain other complexities. But it's something that is being worked on, and there's definitely like a lot of future for it.
Yeah, cool. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm also, could you please also allow me a follow up question? It's very interesting for me. What was the biggest tech challenge for you? Or Zeta Chain is such a great ecosystem that actually solve all these technical challenges and issues.
So for us, for Pitch Lucy, the hardest thing was to have Lucy have a memory and learn from each trade that she does. It was a big challenge, but we managed to overcome it using a RAG memory, where Lucy basically what she does now is every single token that you pitch to her, she remembers that and she remembers her response. So if you pitch the same token again in the future, like she'll use that and see, hey, like did anything change about the project? Like she'll put like more analysis into it if you pitch it again. So that's like a very powerful feature that like enables us to have like a better model basically.
All right. Yeah, I really appreciate your insights. It's very interesting to hear the real picture, what builders face while building such solutions. All right. Thank you so much, Mariana. And Alex, also would love to hear your takeaway. Wait, from your perspective, what's standing in the way today? Full adoption of AI agents in crypto.
I think the UI UX is still really bad in crypto. It hasn't changed since I first joined 8 years ago. I think crypto overall still has a very terrible product user experience, and that's why we haven't been able to capture retail still to this day. So I think we have to fix the onboarding experience of Web3 first, and then also the offboarding experience. Like, if you ask me, the only users in crypto are only crypto users. We haven't been able to target any retail users, just being honest. I don't think a lot of them are going to come to crypto, even with RWAs and such. I think it's only institutions, but I think it's very hard for retail to get in. To fix that and to onboard them into the AI hype as well, it's just really fixing the user experience of what we built.
Yeah, actually, I really agree with you, Alex. Yeah, thank you so much for your takeaway about the issues that any application actually face in crypto right now, and AI agents as well. Um, all right, so actually, yeah, it takes us to the end of the space already, and I have the final question to our speakers, and we will wait for the most fruitful part today, except this alpha information from our speakers. Please stay with us until the end of the space because two random listeners will win very cool prizes from ZetaChain. All right, Mariano, my last question to you today. Zooming out, what separates a short life hype from sustainable value in AI slash Web3 projects? What signals should user look for before trusting a platform or agent with real capital?
So that's a really good question, and it is something that it's still being experimented on. I would say, I would like the only thing that I would say is to have like a reasonable suspicion on anything, basically in Web3. that you guys like really dig into what the project is offering, if there's like an actual product, like not just words, if there's things that you can actually go and test, rather than just like promises that they will build that in the future. That's like, feel like that's the main indicator, because if they already build it, they can, the team can pivot and they can like find their feet better than like if they haven't built anything. So I would say that's the main thing, to be honest.
Oh, sorry, guys. I just had some issues with my microphone. Yeah, thank you so much, Mariana. Such a great final takeaway from you. Thank you so much. Also, Alex, would love to hear your recommendation, how to evaluate AI agent project before trusting real capital to it.
I think the honest answer is just look at their KOLs. If it's a bunch of scam KOLs, then don't really ape into it. Um, I think that's the honest question I have. I mean, that's the honest answer I have, to be honest. Um, yeah, I think a lot of the projects only promise token price, but there's actually no developments going on. So also see what kind of developments they're doing. I think those are the biggest two reasons.
Yeah, I really love your takeaway. Uh, yeah, the role of QLs sometimes it's so kind of unclear for retail community. There is actually many cool researchers in crypto still, but yeah, it's just if it just QLs that chilling every like any token without like any research or some kind of uh, advices or some summary that they have about this token. I also would not rely on their opinion. Yeah, thank you so much, Mariana, Alex. I also would love to ask you, maybe you'd love to also share anything with Hotcoin community, because we have actually traders community. Maybe you can share something about your token updates, maybe some upcoming launches, text or DEX expansion. So, Mariano, would love to hear some insights about Peach Lucy.
Yeah. So the only thing I'll say is that we're very, very early. Like we just launched the token yesterday, so there's definitely like a huge opportunity, and we're working very hard to make the token easy to be tradable across Web3 in all different countries. And we have a promising road ahead of us that we're very excited to start building, and that yeah, we will definitely achieve it.
Yeah, sounds really great, and I wish you really good luck in your uh, venture path, your token cross. Also, congratulations with your token launch. It's really great market condition now, so great time to launch token. Also for community to participate in new launches. Awesome. Thank you so much, Mariana and Alex. Would you like to share anything else?
I think on my side, just look out. I mean, there's a lot of exciting things, exciting developments that are happening at ZetaChain. I'm pretty excited about it, and PitchLucy is just one of it. Very excited to see where the ecosystem is going to go, and very thankful to the community here as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we so appreciate your participation at Hotcoin Next Space today. I just would like to remind you, we had today Alex, ecosystem lead at Zeta blockchain, Mariano, founder of PitchLucyAI. We encourage you to follow PitchLucy X account, try again, evaluate for you. Would you like to maybe buy PitchLucyAI token for your portfolio? Also, ZetaChain is a great ecosystem, and would love to remind again that Zeta token is also listed on Hotcoin, and I'm really proud that Hotcoin one of the biggest contributors to Zeta token. So it means that Hotcoin users see great potential in Zeta token, so it's really great. So also. yeah, so it's the most fruitful part. I already um, used a randomizer tool, and it has chosen to random listeners that will share 100 USD in Zeta tokens. It's Tax Thomas. So I'm just pronounce X handle is Tax Thomas, and Yasa Bond. So guys, congratulations. We will share with you all information that needed, and we and ZetaChain team will send you your gifts. So kudos to all our audience. We so appreciate your participation as well. So yeah, and it was Svetlana, growth manager at Hotcoin. I personally wish you everyone big moves ahead. The market is great. Um, I feel this bullishness in the air, so it's really great. All right, Alex, Mariana, thank you so much again. And hope to hear you soon again. And good luck to your great projects.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and I'll see you around.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye, Bitcoin community.